Question 16. The type of reproduction that is common to both hydra and yeast is A. Grafting, B. Budding, C. Conjugation, D. Binary fusion. The correct option is B. Budding. During unfavorable conditions, the organisms like hydra, they form what is called a bud to help them. So the correct option is B. Budding. Question 17. Another name for a fertilized egg is A. Placenta, B. Zygote, C. Fetus, D. Ovum. The correct option is B. Zygote. Question 18. From the diagram in question 9, the bones labeled II are called A. Thoracic vertebra, B. Lumbar vertebra, C. Cervical vertebra, D. Sacral vertebra. Remember earlier I said from the diagram, the part labeled I is the cervical vertebra. For the second part, which is not labeled, is the thoracic vertebra. And the third part, which is labeled II, is the lumbar vertebra. Then from here I said is the sacral, and the last one, like a tail, is the coccyx vertebra. So the correct answer is lumbar vertebra, which is the part labeled II. That's option B. Question 19. Which of the following statements is not true of enzymes? They A. Are proteins, B. Need cofactors to activate them, C. Are sensitive to hydrogen ion concentration, D. Can withstand high temperature. The correct option is D. Can withstand high temperature. The correct option is D. Can withstand high temperature. The reason is because enzymes cannot withstand high temperature when they are seen in a particular region, because high temperature tends to denature the enzymes, so it tends to kill that particular enzyme. So that's the reason why they cannot withstand high temperature. So the correct option is D. Can withstand high temperature. Question 20. Exoskeleton is not found in the A. Maggot, B. Mosquito larva, C. Earthworm, D. Caterpillar. The correct option is C. Earthworm. Option A. Maggot, option B. Mosquito larva, and option D. Caterpillar. They all have the exoskeleton except the earthworm. The earthworm has the hydroskeleton. So an exoskeleton is not found in an earthworm. So the correct option is C. Earthworm. 21. Question 21. A man with normal hemoglobin AA marries a woman who has sickle cell hemoglobin SS. They have a child who has a sickle cell trait. Which of the following genotypes could be associated with the child's hemoglobin? Let's take a diagram to explain this. From the question, it says a man has a normal hemoglobin. So this is the hemoglobin of the man, a normal hemoglobin of the man, AA. And the woman has a sickle cell hemoglobin represented XX, which is this. From the crossing, a normal hemoglobin will cross with a sickle cell hemoglobin of the woman, giving an AS. Repeatedly, same thing like that, giving all the same. And it says the child has a sickle cell trait. Which of the genotype will be represented? So from the crossing of a normal hemoglobin and a sickle cell hemoglobin with the woman, it gave this. So this genotype, the genotype it gave here shows AS. So the correct option is D. Now, so let's see the options again. Option A says AA. Option B says OO. Option C says AO. Option D says AS. So the correct option is D, AS, which shows that the child has a sickle cell trait. Question 22. Question 22. The sweat gland is the structure labeled A. IV, B. III, C. II, D. I. Let's go back to the diagram from question 5. From question 5, looking at the diagram, which shows the diagram of a skin, and it says which part shows the sweat gland. The sweat gland is labeled IV. Let's go back to the question again. So the correct option is A, IV, which shows the sweat gland. Question 23. Pepsin is a digestive enzyme which breaks A. Cellulose into glucose molecules, B. Carbohydrates into simple sugars, C. Protein into peptones, D. Fats into glycerol and fatty acid. The correct option is C. Protein into peptones. Question 24. Which of the following types of vertebra occur in equal numbers in the rabbit, rat, and man? A. Caudal, B. Thoracic, C. Lumbar, D. Cervical. The correct option is D. Cervical. The cervical vertebra has the same equal number in that of a rabbit, a rat, and a man, but there could be slight difference in length. Question 25. A flowering plant is monoecious if A. The androecium is found on one plant, B. The gynecium is monocarpous, essential organs, C. It produces essential organs, D. Gynecium and androecium are on the same plant. The correct option is D. A monoecious plant is a type of plant that has both the male and the female organ on it. Question 26. One of the following is a unit of life. A. Cell, B. Tissues, C. Organ, D. System. The correct option is A. Cell. Cell is seen as the basic unit of life. Question 27. The leech and the earthworm belong to the A. Mollusk, B. Crustaceans, C. Arachnids, D. Annelids. The correct option is D. Annelids. The leech belongs to the class Hyoridina and the earthworm belongs to the class Oligochaetae. They are both classes under the group Annelids. So the correct option is D. Annelids. Question 28. Underground stems which grow horizontally through the soil are A. Bulbs, B. Rhizomes, C. Runners, D. Cones. The correct option is B. Rhizomes. Rhizomes are underground stems that grows horizontally through the soil, while runners, option C, are plants that grows horizontally above the soil. Bulbs are swollen shoots that are seen on the surface of the soil. Question 29. One of the following disease is caused by fungi. A. Cassava mosaic, B. Coffee leaf rust, C. Leaf blight of cassava rosette, D. Disease of groundnut. The correct option is B. Coffee leaf rust. Coffee leaf rust is a disease that is caused by fungi. Cassava mosaic is a disease that is caused by bacteria. Question 30. The parts used by the tapeworm to fasten itself to the host intestine are the A. Neck and suckers, B. Hooks and suckers, C. Rostellum and suckers, D. Young proglottis and neck. The correct option is B. Hooks and suckers. The hooks attaches itself to the host intestine and feeds by the use of its suckers. So the correct option is B. Question 31. The following are examples of oviparous animals except A. Crocodile, B. Dove, C. Rat, D. Tilapia.
Okay, guys, so please take note that we have a JAMB WhatsApp group for 2026 JAMB Bites. All right. So if you're writing JAMB for 2026, we have a JAMB WhatsApp group where we do daily revisions on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology. So if you're a science student and you want to join our JAMB WhatsApp group, I'll leave a link to the JAMB WhatsApp group in the video description. All right. You can also join our JAMB channel membership to get access to exclusive content for JAMB Bites, or you can get the full JAMB course on our website. Simply visit www journalemmanuel.com/courses, and you see the JAMB/WAEC classes. All right. Okay, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. All right. Like this video. Also leave a comment. Right, for the comments, I gave you a task, question number 11. Solve it, leave your answer in the comment section, and I'll tell you if you're correct or not. Don't forget to also subscribe. If it's your first time here or you're yet to subscribe, please do what to subscribe, hit the bell icon and select all so that you get notified